Assalamu alaikum guys. The span between two columns is 28 feet. So I will guide you for steel reinforcement details and the construction of floor beam which length is 28 feet. So let's get started guys. If you have any question related this short video, so you can comments, I will try to reply your answer. This is one column which size is 15 by 15 inches, and that is other column. So the span between these two columns is 28 feet. The size of this floor beam is 12 by 18 inches. Depth is 18 inches, width is 12 inches. You can see guys here, at the bottom we have 4 steel rods. At the top portion we have 3 steel rods. Bottom portion is tension zone, and we have 16 mm die of steel rod which is used in tension zone. In upper portion, which is compression zone, we have 3 steel rods. Middle bar dia is 12 mm and side bars are 16 mm. So total we have here 7 steel rods. These 2 rods dia is 16 mm. Center bar dia is 12 mm. The stirrup dia is 8 mm. Spacing is 6 inches or 150 mm center to center between 2 stirrups. This floor beam is designed for 28 feet span. Stirrups are placed alternately, but here you can see one of the big mistake. Hooks are bent on 90 degree. It should be provided on 135 degree. You can see clearly, and the hook's length should not be less than 3 inches. At the distance of L by 4, you can see guys here we have side bars. 2 are side bars. You can see this is the span between 2 columns or the length of floor beam. So at the distance of L by 4 means total length divided by 4. So 28 divided by 4. So at the distance of 7 feet, we have 2 extra steel rods which are placed at the side. But at this place where we have negative bending moment, so we should provide bent up bar or extra steel rods or cut bars at the distance of L by 4 to resist negative bending moment, but they didn't provide, only they provided at the side. So these are side bars. At the distance of L by 4, the spacing of stirrups should be closely. After L by 4, you can increase the spacing of stirrups. On the other side guys, you can see this is right side. You can see 2 are side bars, 3 bars in upper portion, 4 at the bottom. So here we have 2 sections. Section AA and section BB. Section A is especially for L by 4. There we have totally 9 steel rods. 4 at the bottom, 2 are side bars and 2 are compression bars. After L by 4, this is section BB. So in section BB, we have here 7 steel rods. 4 at the bottom, 3 at the top. In section BB and section AA, at the distance of L by 4, the spacing is here about 6 inches. But after section AA, we have section BB, so the spacing is here about 8 inches. Guys, you can see after this floor beam, this is cantilever slab and this is cantilever beam. So the length of this cantilever beam or slab is about 7 feet. So this cantilever slab is supported by a cantilever beam which length is 7 feet. Guys, you can see after this 28 feet, we have the other side which are cantilever beam or cantilever slab. Here we have the slab. Slab is placed on the top of cantilever beam which length is 7 feet. After completion of steel reinforcement and floor beam, they will start main bars and distribution bars In the construction of this RCC slab with the spacing of 150 by 150 mm, so here we have two mesh. One is 12 by 12 inches. On the top of this, they will placed again 6 by 6 inches. So we have double mesh and the spacing is 6 by 6 inches. Guys, you can see the span is same, which is 28 feet. You can see the steel fixer is working to do the proper alignment of steel reinforcement for main bars and distribution bars. Dia is 12 mm. You can see main bars and distribution bars are inside the RCC column, RCC floor beam, not column. This is single mesh. On the top of this, they will provide the other mesh. Then it is called double mesh RCC slab. As you can see, the labor is working. When they placed all steel rods, then they will bind with binding wire to connect main bars and distribution bars. Guys, you can see they placed lapping on the top of this floor beam. So this is one of the big mistake. Lapping is not allowed on the top of floor beam where we have L by 4 distance. So there we have negative bending moment. The place of overlapping, they should provide extra steel rods or bent up bar, but unfortunately they placed lapping on the top of floor beam. Hope this short video can help you to know about steel reinforcement